Hi everyone. You know there are so many types of energies: solar energy, wind energy, water energy, nuclear energy. So today we are discussing about one type of energy which is called, and there's something which is under this paper. It is called a solar panel. So the solar panel. So this is a solar panel. It converts the sun's energy from the light to electricity and then it transfers to the LED. So the LED uses that electricity to glow. Now the LED will only work when it has the solar panel with its electricity. So there is no battery. The sun is our battery. So when I cover it, we don't have, the solar panel cannot get any heat or light. So it cannot convert anything, the sun's energy, into electricity. So when I when I open it, then it will get lots of electricity, lots of light and heat from the sun, and it will convert all the heat and light it gets into electricity and give it to the LED. So this is a solution for our environment. So it's clean, affordable, and very easy to use. But when there is no sun, you have to store the electricity which the solar panel has converted, so that we can use it for later time.